In this video, I'm going to show you how to do astrophotography. That is to take celestial photographs using your cell phone camera. So we're going to take those pictures through a telescope with the help of this adapter here. It's called a SteadyPix. And so the first step is to take your cell phone out of its case. If you have one of those protective cases, as I think probably most of us do, take your camera out. Of course, then it's not protected, so be careful. And on the SteadyPix, there are these two basic parts here. I call this the phone gripper. This is the eyepiece gripper. So phone gripper, eyepiece gripper. What you're going to do is you're going to slide your phone between the arms of the phone gripper. And so there's this knob here that separates these arms. And you're going to slide your phone in like this. And then tighten this just ever so loosely. So it's kind of not terribly loose, not completely free, but you can still slide it in and out. Then you're going to flip it over and you're going to loosen knob B. And you're going to rotate so that the whole of the eyepiece gripper, there's a hole in the center of it. You want that centered on the camera's lens. Now, my phone has 3 different cameras in it and 3 different lenses. So I had to go into my camera app, turn it on what they call night vision mode or the low light mode, and determine which one of these camera lenses is the one that's used when it's in night vision mode or low light mode. And I know that it's this one right there. So I'm going to center that lens in the middle of that hole in the center of the eyepiece gripper, and then I'm going to tighten this knob right there. And now that I've got it in place, I'm going to tighten the first knob. In the written instructions that I do have for you in the telescope's bucket, I refer to this as knob A and knob B. But then, so now we have this attached, and we're now going to attach to the eyepiece of the telescope. So let me just show you real quick that this sleeve around the outside here rotates on the eyepiece gripper. And see, when I rotate it, those arms come in. What we want to do is put those arms around the eyepiece of the telescope. So I'm gonna open that up wide enough. I'm going to put that over the eyepiece, and then I'm going to turn it so that it's gripped on there. Okay, and what that does is it puts the eyepiece right in front of the camera lens, and now we can use the telescope as we otherwise would. Have the red dot finder on there. It's not on there right now, but put the red dot finder on, line up on a target. You'll have to focus. You'll have to use your camera app. Again, I mentioned it before, you'll want to put it in night vision mode or low light mode. And I can't really show you that because everyone has a slightly different camera app. So it might be worthwhile getting familiar with your camera app and how you can switch into that mode. But have fun taking some awesome pictures of celestial sights.